The Blessed Virgin Mary is called Porta Coeli, the gate of heaven. When you speak about doors or gates, you speak about security. You speak about safety. You speak about inclusion. And that is why the Blessed Mother becomes a model to us. Being close to the Blessed Virgin Mary, following her in our lives, we are saved, we are secure, because she is the Porta Coeli. Very beautiful idea. But yet we can say that when the Blessed Mother is given the title, it was not simply a title of honor, but a title of suffering, a title of sacrifice, a title of offering. Just as when we say, my mother is my gate, my model, my inspiration for what I am today. Kaya po dito nakikita natin yung title of the Blessed Mother. She is the gate to heaven. Therefore, this title is a title that should be close to us.